Over the years, we've seen a lot of football players flex their muscles and their bodies during the football match or during a football celebration. But a lot of things what you guys won't be seeing is that the hard work put inside the making of these players. So guys, we have football here and today's session is going to be just with the football, and we are going to be doing a full body routine with just a football. Okay, today just a football is enough for your entire body workout, and in this video we're going to be looking at different sections of our body. So we'll be looking at our warm-up regime, which we're going to be doing, which is basically cardio, and second of all we're going to be doing the upper body workouts, which is the shoulder and our chests, and third of all we're going to be doing our abs. So basically everything is hit over here. We'll do your cardio, your lower body, check, and your upper body workouts, check, and the lower body workouts, all check. So guys, if you're interested in making weights for your training, I'll be doing a review on that quick on our channel. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and just stay tuned, because the next video is going to be about weights and how weights can be used, tying weights to your shoes and all, how you can do that and implement it in your training. So most of you guys have been asking me a lot of questions based on how you have to structure your training or how to structure your workout regime. So basically guys, you don't need to actually structure it, you just need to focus on what's important at your point. Okay, you just need to focus on what's important at the moment, and you have to do your workout on a regular basis, and you have to push hard every single day. So basically today we're going to be looking at a simple workout, which I'm going to be doing one set at the stretch, but you guys have to do it 3 reps. Okay, you're going to be doing the same routine. I've been doing a circuit training right now, and the same circuit you're supposed to do it 3 times over and over again in order to achieve your peak performance level. So guys, a lot of you may be having a doubt that Indian players, do they actually have the stamina to play a 90-minute football match? And the reply to that question is, of course they have it. Why don't we play football? So Indian football players don't have the stamina to play a 90-minute match in full efficiency, just like the other players you see in Barcelona, Bayern Munich. A lot of football players over there have a lot of stamina. So basically we need to inculcate our training regime sincerely, and our diet, everything we have to structure it properly in order to have a peak physical performance. Okay, just check this video out guys, and don't skip this video, as I structure this training in such a way that it actually hits a lot of specific areas on your body. So make sure you just watch this video fully, and if you want you can just follow along through this video. You can just replay the video again and again in order to make sure you do it right. Okay,
I keep on working, got purpose and worth. Music's my cure and this world is my purse. Get rid of this curse with every verse. Of course I've been hurt, but some have it much worse. Leave me alone, get out of my head. Block out the opinions until I am dead. They all go to sleep, but you listen instead. Listen some more and you'll cease to regret. I keep on working, I got it on track. You gonna see my name up on the flag. I sail this ship and I'll never come back. I keep this bitch on the line to attack. Never look back, I make a record like Crash. Top of my bracket I smash, I'm like a pack. I'm about to stack it like cash. It's gonna happen so fast. Never change myself, I've always stayed the same, no doubt. I've always played the game all out, and I am here to stay right now. So don't call it a comeback. I ain't running, here to stay. Steady gunning, do my thing. I don't look the other way, I stare that motherfucker straight. Don't care what they say, nah, everyone's the same. Don't get carried away, I know, feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I never let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself, I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold.
And as you can see, the sweat answers itself, and I am really drenched, guys. So if you haven't already known, I finished my workouts and I just done one set of everything. So what you're going to be doing is that you're going to be doing 3 circuits, and next week we'll be seeing you guys in another workout which is more efficient and more special. And right now I'll be doing some freestyle, and I'll be doing the other 2 circuits again, and I'll be heading out to the kitchen and getting some really healthy snacks or some smoothie, or probably a really heavy breakfast right now.